Hello children, welcome to the third video of constitutional design. After knowing history of South African constitution, children, you came to know in which circumstances and condition they created constitution. Means about South Africa. It is really marvelous. Forgetting all bitterness and decided to live together. Means I am talking about black and white people. They decided to live together. But in India, conditions and circumstances were different from South Africa. Let's see Indian circumstances. The making of the Indian Constitution. Children, India's Constitution was also drawn up under very difficult circumstances during 18th and 19th century. Means near about 200 years we were being ruled by the Britishers. In real sense, we were slave of the white Britishers. Britishers means white people not only exploited our people but also our resources. At that time, India was emerging from the status of subject means children status means praja to that of citizen, and at that time means 16th and 17th century, at that time children subject were always loyal to their kings or ruler. At last, after long struggle, we got independence in 1947. Actually, the country was born through a partition on the basis of religious differences, especially Hindu and Muslim. Children, during partition, 10 lakh people were killed on both sides of the border in partition related violence. Finally, financially, socially, and economically, we were weak, and Britishers left India in awkward position. So naturally, many problems crop up in India. Let's see. Problem faced while making Indian Constitution. India was huge and the diverse country in world. India is the seventh largest country in the world, and after every 10 kilometers, languages and cultures get changed. Naturally, having seen a diverse culture, the country was divided on the basis of religion differences. While going Britisher followed the policies of divide and rule. The merger of princely state with India or Pakistan or remain independent was difficult to decide. All it became matter of dispute. You can see still Kashmir is the big problem to us. If you see last point, the future of the country was seen not much secure to make constitution. Everywhere riots and confusion was prevailing in India. Children, in such circumstances, the maker of constitution had anxiety about the past, the present, and the future of the country. Despite all these problems, our makers of the Indian constitution, unlike South Africa, they did not have to create a consensus about what a democratic India looked like or should look like. Children, reason behind it that we fought and struggled together for our India's independence and for transformation of our society and politics. Children, if you see the path to constitution means why we were able to make our constitution, it will be clear to you from the following points. In 1928, Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders drafted a constitution for India. In 1931, resolution at Karachi. You can see in that right hand side map of Pakistan. Karachi is located there. Right now it is in Pakistan. In Karachi, means the resolution was passed. How independent Indian constitution should look like with the following features: universal adult franchise, who attain the age of 18 or above 18 got right to vote, one person, one value. Second point, right to freedom and equality. Third, to protect the rights of minorities, especially SC, ST, and BC. Many educated Indians were familiarized with the political and legislative institution during the colonial or British rule. Reason behind it, children. Reason behind it was that in Britain they had constitution and democratic structure. If you see, many institutional details and laws are based or exist from the colonial period. Example, you can take it, the Government of India Act 1935. Years of thinking and deliberation on the framework of the constitution had another benefit. Due to this, our leaders gained confidence and learn how to frame constitution, means how to design the constitution. So our chapter name is also constitutional design. Then see, children, many of the leaders were inspired by, see, from where they get inspiration. First, the idol of the French Revolution. You will study in history chapter the French Revolution of 1786. Second, from the Socialist Revolution in Russia. Second point, if you see, means our leader got inspiration from the practice of the parliamentary democracy of Britain. Last, the Bill of Rights in USA, but they did not imitate these principles. Means our leaders made their own constitution. They worked and discussed on it. Actually, our leader got experience from the British parliamentary process. And it will be clear from you, from the Constituent Assembly of 1946, the drafting of the constitution was done by an assembly of elected representatives. See in bracket 2, 99 members were there, called the Constituent Assembly, keeping the following points in mind. So what point they have kept when they were framing or designing the constitution? First point, universal adult franchise. Second, right to freedom. Third, equality, and to protecting the rights of minorities, means irrespective of caste, creed and gender, all will be treated equally. At that time, assembly was dominated by the Indian National Congress, INC it was known as. And this INC, Indian National Congress, is the oldest party in our country, and still it has many known Congress member. At that time, means in Congress party, many known Congress members were also there. The constitution does not reflect the views of its member alone. It expresses the aspirations of all people, thoughts of other people. Now, children, notice about the election which was held before independence. Election to the Constitution. Election to the Constitution Assembly were held in July 1946. Do you remember, children, when we got independence? In 1947. 1947. And this election was held in 1946. In first meeting was held in December 1946. Afterward means after independence, the country was divided into two parts, India and Pakistan. After partition, the Constituent Assembly, that who wrote the Indian Constitution, had 299 members, and a drafting committee chaired by B.R. Ambedkar prepared a draft constitution for discussion. And in it, 70 members were from princely state. It was discussed, or they discussed, clause by clause. Through several rounds of discussion, a draft constitution was prepared and submitted to the Assembly on 4th November 1947. It took 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. At last, the Assembly adopted the Constitution on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950. Every year, children, we celebrate it as Republic Day. Now, question arises: why should we accept this Constitution? And this question came many times in exam also. Children, main reason behind it is that our Constitution does not reflect the views of its member alone, but it expresses a broad consensus of its time also. And every basic rules were or are accepted by all major groups and by political parties. It will be clear to you by the following points. If you see first point, over the last 64 years, No large social groups or political party has ever questioned the legitimacy of constitution. Means every citizen have accepted the constitution. Moreover, Constituent Assembly represented the people of India, no universal adult franchise, but fair geographic share of members from all the regions of the country. Third point, Assembly represented members from different language groups, caste, class, religion, and occupation, and from different states. Last point, finally, the Constituent Assembly worked in a systematic, open, and consensual manner. So, children, these were the reason of accepting constitution by Indian peoples. If you see the formation of Indian constitution, several round of discussion took place on the drafting constitution, clause by clause. If you see Indian constitution, more than 2000 amendments were considered. Second point, the members deliberated for 114 days spread over 3 years. Third point, every document and word spoke in Constituent Assembly has been recorded. Means whatever the discussion took place in the Parliament, everything was recorded and preserved, which is called Constituent Assembly debate. These debate provide 12 bulky volumes. At last, our constitution was made. Constitution is the supreme law of a country containing fundamental rules governing the policy and the society in a country. So, children, now you will see the features of the Indian Constitution or Constitution of India. Indian Constitution is very long and detailed document. It's a lengthy document. You can say it's a lengthy constitution. Second point, if you see in our constitution, they made provisions for the amendments and amended quite regularly to keep updated. So clear, our constitution is not rigid, means changes can be done. Third point, our constitution define who will have how much power to take decision is clearly mentioned in it. Fourth point, constitution put limit to what the government can do by providing some rights to the citizen that cannot be violated. Means every power, every rule and regulations are laid in the constitution, and according to the rules and regulations, every government has to run. Children, still debates are there on constitutions, law in the parliament, and this debate provides the rationale behind every provision of the constitution. So children, this is how our constitutions were designed and framed. I think children, now you can compare both Indians and South Africans constitution, how they were made. Till next video, take care, stay home, be safe and happy. Thank you children.